Hey, what's up guys, it's Kira. Welcome to my channel. So today I was reviewing a heatless overnight curl method for you guys, and I saw on this other YouTuber channel, and I'll link it down below, and it looked super quick and easy, and it looked amazing on the girl. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna try this, I'm gonna videotape it, and let's give this a go. And guys, it did not work. Do not try this at home. It does not look good unless you're into this like super poofy, frizzy look. Anyways, if you want to watch me fail, then keep watching. Alright, so right now I'm just starting with air dried hair that's about 90% dry and about 10% wet. So I'm going to start by dividing my hair into four like quadrants. But if you have thicker hair, you might want to do 6 or 8. I have super thin hair, so I'm just going to do 4. So I'm going to do 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And I'm going to be putting them pretty high up in my head. And just part it how you would normally part your hair. So I normally part it to this side, so I'm gonna keep that part overnight, or else you're gonna have a whole bunch of problems in the morning. Alright, so I'm looking like some sort of Spice Girl right now, but as cute as this is not the final look. So now I'm gonna go do the back too. Alright, so there's not really a perfect way to do this, guys, but usually the higher up on the head, the better, just because you want to get as much hair as possible and as much volume as possible, especially if you're like me and you've got thin ass hair. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this first one, and I'm going to be curling it away from my hair. And I'm going to twist the entire thing. Again, you're twisting it away. And you want to twist it super tight. And then as you're twisting, you're going to twirl it around where you made the hair tie. And keep it super, super tight. And twist it, keep twisting it around. Like so. So it's gonna look like, and then just take another hair tie and put it around the tiny little princess lace like bun you just did, just to secure it, and it's gonna look like that. So yeah, not so cute, but also another reason why to put it on the top of your head is so you can sleep, because if it's down low then it's harder to sleep. So with this side, again, I'm going to be twisting away from my face. Struggle sitting up in here. It's actually pretty easy, but my thin hair is just hard to control. It's kind of a good arm workout too. Okay. And so again, I'm just going to go over with a hair tie and secure it in place. And that's what that one is looking like. Looking super cute. So now with the back two, I'm going to do the exact same thing, except I'm going to twist them towards my face. So this one I'm going to twist this way, and this one I'm going to twist this way towards my face. Okay. All right, last one. So again, I'm going to be twirling this one towards my face, super tight, and then wrapping it around in a little Princess Leia bun. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. Alright, so now that you've got your buns nice and tight, I'm going to go to sleep. And then tomorrow I'm going to take them out and show you guys what it's going to look like. Alright, see you tomorrow. Alright, what's up guys? So I slept in this overnight and it actually held up pretty good. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take them out and we'll see what it looks like. All right, 3 down, 1 to go. What the fuck? What is my... So if you want to look a poodle, then this is a good look for you. Guys, I don't know, I don't think this really worked. I mean, it's not horrible, it's definitely like the super poofy Spice Girl kind of look. So if you're going for like the poodle hair, kind of crazy, poofy, curly, afro type hair, this is how you do it. But if you're looking for like some perfect ringlets, guys, then yeah, this ain't it. But I mean, it's not horrible. It's just maybe it's quite what I was expecting, but it's not horrible. It's more just like, you know, crazy hair day style. So if you like that, you know what, I think I'm just gonna rock it and I'm just gonna go with it. Definitely need to put in some product. But yeah guys, this is the final look. What should I call this, poodle hair? This is the poodle hair look. But guys, I have super thin hair. So, and look how voluminous and crazy it went. So imagine if you had like normal hair or thick hair, it's gonna be a hair. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to style it and come right back and show you if I can tame this mane. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the tamest that I could get it. So I got this method off of another YouTuber and I'm gonna link her down below so y'all know I'm not crazy. But I don't think this worked, so I'm thinking I'm gonna keep on reviewing all these different types of heatless curls until I find one that works. But I'm thinking this is probably a fail. Anyways, well, I hope you liked this video, even though it was a hardcore fail. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more videos.